Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to extract a topographic profile from a DEM using the Profile tool. So in previous videos we were able to identify this center line which runs along the channel of the north branch of the Middlebury River. So it's a single feature within its own shapefile called Topo Profile line. And what we'd like to do is extract the elevation of the river channel at every point along the channel. So essentially what we're going to do is the profile tool is going to go along, and for every pixel that intersects this line, it's going to extract the value of the pixel, so the elevation, as well as the downstream distance, starting with 0 up at the top of the river and coming down all the way through. So we're going to use the Profile tool. If you haven't ever used it, you need to first install the plugin. If you have used it, it should be sitting down here, Profile Tool, Terrain Profile. First thing to do is going to be to add the DEM layer. So you can profile any layer that you want, but in this case we want to get elevation. So we're going to add our DEM layer and just hit Add Layer. So that gets added in there. And then we're going to highlight the Topo Profile line and switch this option to Selected Layer, and it brings up the profile really quickly. You can see, and what's cool is you can slide this cursor and see it corresponds to the red dot on my screen. So 0 is up at the top of the profile, and then you come down and 9,000 something is the bottom of the profile. And of course the Y values are elevation. So we're going to work with this data in Excel. So let's go to Table. And here is the first row is downstream distance starting at 0, and the second row is elevation in meters. So we're going to copy that to the clipboard, then we're going to go right into Excel and just position it. You get a fresh sheet, so your sheet won't have anything on it, it'll just be fresh. Position it in the top left, right click and paste, and there you can see the values. What I recommend doing next is making a chart by actually just highlighting both columns, going Insert, Scatter Plot, maybe choose the one with the lines, and now you yourself have a plot in Excel. You can hit Quick Layout and label your axes, downstream distance in meters and elevation in meters, and then we'll be adding more to this in lab. Thanks.